Hey guys, just went and picked up a new video camera. This is just kind of a test video, see how it works, see how it performs. It's the Sony HDR CX110. I don't know what you guys use, but I figured I'd go pick up something nice since I'm gonna be using it for a while. First video camera. Let me know what you guys think. It's my buddy Travis. He's like, "What's up, homeboy?"
What's good?
It's seems to be pretty good quality. Got the collection. Say hello to Kim Kardashian. Yeah, she's hot. Anyway, guys, I guess that concludes the test video for the Sony HDR CX110. I guess just let me know what you guys think of it. Later, guys.